feel like we've learned all the lessons, right? We've learned how, like, you know, what works, what doesn't work, the hassle, both from an AI implementation point of view, but just generally from building software over the last 20, 30, 40 years. And I feel like it's all just kind of coming together. And I think we basically have the next 3 years where the tooling and the systems is going to be advanced enough to really mean that we can build stuff very efficiently, very quick, very well architected, and non-developers won't be able to. They'll be able to do like some proof of concept. They'll be able to do some, like, you know, prototype stuff and things, and build some, you know, basic or integrated systems. But to build like a full enterprise-ready solution, I think is still going to stay within the world of developers. But I think for the next 3, I don't know after 3 years. After 3 years, maybe it completely goes, right? But I think the next 3 years, I think there's a window of time where all of that decades of experience that we've had amalgamates into a window where we can build amazing stuff for ourselves, like our own products, our own services, and also build stuff that maybe we couldn't build before, or projects we couldn't be involved with before because, you know, of cost or because of team size and available skill sets, or, you know, anything like that.
What I was going to say is that Joe Public or the non-technical employee is not going to be able to build these apps and get them production ready at the moment.
And then, you know, even it sounds silly, but like we take for granted the ability that we know how to register domains, change DNSs, add secure kind of records for email, run CDNs, like add security. When you actually want to build something for customers as a product, that mindset and knowledge, I think, is still massively, massively valuable.
The AI Shift Podcast. Let's go.